Hi, my name is Ashley Josephine Zuberi and I'm a yoga educator. I'm excited to be joining Joan this fall at her Mastermind Retreat for Professional Women to teach you self-care strategies for effective leadership. As leaders, you probably manage a team, are under the pressure of intense deadlines at work, are responsible for the work product that your team puts out, and that's a lot to have on your plate. It's probably no wonder that you're experiencing a little bit of stress right now, but I'm here to help you work with that. At the retreat, I'll be teaching individualized and group sessions to help you manage stress and design self-care strategies and plans that you can put into place. It's really simple. We can do something right now. Sit up nice and tall with your feet on the floor. Drop your chin down towards your chest and roll your right ear over towards your right shoulder. Now you might feel a little bit of a neck stretch. From here, you can even tilt your chin down towards the ground or even towards the ceiling to change how you feel that sensation in your neck. Then drop your chin down towards your chest and roll your ear over towards the other side. Let the shoulders relax away from the ears. Again, you can tilt the chin down or up to change how you feel that sensation. And then drop your chin down towards your chest and gaze straight ahead. See? Simple as that. And you can surely do that at your desk throughout the course of your day to manage any tension that you might be feeling in your shoulders or your neck. Most importantly, self-care is something that needs to be implemented on a daily basis. And one of the roadblocks to doing that is not knowing what to do. I can't wait to join you at the retreat to help you create a personalized, customized plan that's doable and meaningful to help you manage your own stress and take care of yourself. Until I see you at the retreat, take care.